Here I am, know it's been a while. I was in denial about my love.
Where are we? We are on our walking tour. Yay, so fun. What'd you get?
I got the Looking Good Lewis, the Homewrecker, and I'll have what she's having.
What did you get?
I got the Surely You Can't Be Serious, which we definitely didn't just look up because I forgot the name. But
We are at the pineapple fountain, and what we mean by that is this. We are at the Fort Sumter National Park or something. I think it's
National Historic Park.
National Historic Park, because we're gonna go catch a ferry to go see it.
Yay!
So the foghorn just scared Rika so much. Like she basically dropped her phone. We are still at Fort Sumter. Look what we found. It's a cannon. That's Alexandra's ship. Alexandra convinced me to do this. We got our junior ranger badges. Woo! It's so foggy. We are headed back to the hotel. You ready for dinner?
Super fun day so far.
Yes.
Oh my, this is some cornbread. I am so excited.
All right. What'd you get?
I got the salmon.
All right.
And I got the
Olive oil tofu. We are back in the hotel. I'm literally so cold. Okay, this lighting is ugly. But we finished dinner. We sat there for 2 hours. Like they were.
can you do?
It was bad.
It was
really good. The food was good.
It was amazing.
It was bad that we were just sitting there for so long. But it's fine.
Yeah, but we needed that catch up.
Yeah. And now we're gonna go get ready to go have some fun.
Yay!
Sunday morning, long run. Woo! Today we have 10 miles.
Loving it.
We're like 2.5 miles in. We are at like 5.5 miles, I'd say.
Yeah,
6
something
maybe.
like that.
We made it to this fort.
Yeah. Super cool.
Fort Moultrie. Moultrie. I know you can't see us at all. We are at Fort Moultrie, so we paused for a second. But what's kind of cool is over there. Can you see it in this video? Right there, right? It's Fort Sumter. We finished. We got our shoes off because we are going in the ocean. Woo! It is so cold. Like literally, ice bath-esque. It's
Like, it feels great on the arches, but
Right.
other than that,
oh, it's cold. And we still are like a mile out from where we started, so now we need to go back.
now we walk on the beach.
Yay!
Yay!